welcome back to my new video. I hope you have seen the thumbnail. Actually, this video is for every teenager and people who are looking to start an online business, but they don't know where to start and how to start. So today in this video, I'm going to discuss about the interesting topic that is dropshipping. Recently, the term dropshipping is buzzing all over the internet, and many doubts were raised, like what is this dropshipping, man? How it is practiced? Can we really earn millions of monies? Can we get rich? Is it good in India? Is it suitable for Indians, etc., etc.? So here I am to keep a full stop for all these questions, and I will show you the reality of dropshipping in India. How does it work in India? So, I have made this video in such a manner that you will have zero doubts after completing the video without skipping. So, let's get in the video. Firstly, let's discuss about what is dropshipping actually about. Dropshipping is a way to sell products online without actually handling them, without actually having them. Instead of buying and storing the products, you can partner with a supplier who keeps the product. So when someone buys something from your online store, you'll simply tell your supplier to ship the product directly to the customer. So to make it more clear, it is a process where you will sell the product in online, which actually you don't have it. You will never touch the product. You don't need to worry about the storage and shipping. Your job is to just market up the products and manage the store. So you can ask me what is profit for it. So now I will explain with an example. Like supplier has a product for 100 rupees, but in your online store you keep it as 200. So if the buyer buys it for 200, if the buyer is satisfied with 200 rate and he buys it, here the extra 100 will be taken by you as a commission, and the other 100 will be given to the supplier. So here you get 100 rupees profit, and this is what actually the business in dropshipping. This is the main concept of dropshipping, as you are the mediator for the supplier and the buyer. So you actually need to just show them that the supplier product in your online market, so the buyer buys it. So this is actually what dropshipping means. It is a complex topic, and now I will show you how it works, how it is practiced. Now I'll be explaining how it works or how does it get practiced. So first imagine you are a dropshipper. Like first you will be creating an online website where you want to sell the products. So you have created a online website. So I am the customer who comes to your online website. If I likes your product, I will be buying it. You will be keeping a price for it. So if I'm the customer who is satisfied with the price you have kept, so I'll be ordering it. So now you will be sending this order information to the supplier who actually has the product. So like you are indirectly selling the product which you don't have, which actually the supplier has. So now you will be sending the information to the supplier. So the supplier ships it to my house. So this is how it works, and you will get the profit as commission by the difference between the supplier price and the price which you have set in your online website. So like this you will be earning millions of money once you get clicked. So this is actually how it works. If you ask me, is it hard? Yes, it is hard, but it is not impossible. It takes some time to get succeed. You need to build trust in people, and there are even few options like keeping COD, cash on deliver. This is tragically brought up big change in online platforms. So you can even add this option to your site. So this makes the dropshipping easier. Rich things take time. It takes some time to get successful, but you need to have pretty good strategies to build on, and if you still stay focused, but stick on to the single thing called dropshipping, you will definitely get successful. I hope you're clear with it. Now next step is choosing the products. You can choose the products from Reposo Cloud. It's a platform where you get the retail priced products I have given the link in description. It is Roposo Cloud, where you can choose the product and sell it in your website. So after choosing the product in Roposo Cloud, you can send it to the your online website. The example of online website is Shopify. It is a brilliant website where you can put your online products for the buyers. Use few AI websites for having a good name, and next having a good logo. There are few AI websites. I will give the links in description so you can click on it and you can design a name and logo. Next step is to setting a price. So you need to keep a perfect price. Like, think you need to think from buyer's point of view. Like, think I'm a buyer. Am I satisfied with your price which you have kept, or else for the less price tag, even in Amazon, Flipkart, there are those products. So they can copy paste the link in Amazon and they can even buy in Amazon. Why need to buy in your website? So you should keep all these things in your mind and then move right by keeping the perfect price tag. So you need to make you need to think from people's point of view who wants to buy your product. So before selling the product you want to sell, you need to think that yourself as a buyer, that you can buy your product which you are selling. So if you are satisfied with it, you need to sell it. The next step is marketing. You need to market your product yourself. You need to make ads yourself so that your product gets promoted and many buyers would watch it. If they like it, they buy it. So you can even upload your ads on Instagram or Facebook algorithms and etc. by using meta ads. So your product might get popularized. This is an important step. Now these are the steps you need to do. Now let's summarize all steps which I have said. First one is to have mindset. Second step is to choose products from Roposo Cloud. And third step is to create websites from Shopify. And fourth step is to marketing. You need to popularize your product by yourself. That's better. We have discussed about what is dropshipping actually about, and we even discussed how it works. Now, the other and important step is to build a mindset. The other step is mindset. It is the not the thing to mention in this video, but I'm doing it to make you cautious and know what is reality actually is. In social media, you get many courses about dropshipping saying it is easy, you can earn simply millions of money by sitting at home. And by watching those reels, you would get influenced by dropshipping is easy, I can earn, I will be doing it. But the actual reality is you're selling a product which you don't even have to the people in skeptical India who thinks all online products are fake. Why still other people? Have you ever bought an online thing by seeing an Insta ads, or have you ever believed in those ads you get on Instagram like about bracelets etc? This is kind of thing that Indians don't even believe in it. Like, how can you think it is easy to buy it? How can you think it is easy to make drop shipping and earn millions of money? It is not impossible, but it is like it is not even that easy to make millions of monies. It is not even that easy to make dropshipping successful. You need to work hard on it. Everything is possible. Like, first of all, you need to build the trust in people, and next you need to go on. It is not impossible, it is possible, but you need to keep the dedication towards it. You need to believe in yourself, and you need to have the discipline in you and go on.